Hi everybody, Namaskar, Namaskaram, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Alaikum. I'm Usha Uttu. I am a person who says very proudly how wonderful to be an Indian. I'm a proud Indian and I believe in ethical voting and well informed voting. Mostly, most importantly, responsible voting. I've always said that if you vote, if you go out there and vote, remember you're not just voting for yourself, you're voting for all the children. You're voting for all the future generations. So vote responsibly whenever you vote. Because if you don't vote responsibly, it's going to count. Who said your vote doesn't count? Your vote counts more than anything else in the world. Remember, be ethical. Remember, be responsible because the onus is on you. The people you elect are the people who will lead us. And we have that responsibility to elect the right person. When you elect the right person, when you vote for the right people, you vote for your future. And not just for your future, but for the future of the children and the country. So let me say to all the people of Meghalaya, where everyone is a friend of mine and I am everybody's friend, let me say Khasi Vayaro, really. Kindamukna Ruboyuvar Udeyupad Khasi Vayaro. Yes, and when I say to everybody in Meghalaya, vote responsibly. I want all of you to know that I'm a friend of yours and it's important for me to pass this message on to all of you. When you step out today, remember, voting day is important. It's very, very important. In fact, more important than any other thing in this world at the moment because there's so much of unrest everywhere. So let us get together and decide that we will vote responsibly, ethically, and well informed. I stand for ethical, well informed voting. I want you to stand for ethical, well informed, responsible, and most importantly, honest voting. Kublai Mithila to each and every one of you.